Today, we're exploring Canon's powerhouse mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, which, with its impressive 24.2 megapixel sensor and versatile RF24-105mm lens, is built for creators aiming to take their photography and videography to new heights by offering exceptional quality and creative flexibility. From the moment you unbox it, the premium build quality stands out, and with the included RF24-105mm f4-7.1 STM lens, you're equipped with an ideal range for capturing stunning landscapes, sharp portraits, and everything in between, making this kit an all-in-one solution for both seasoned photographers and passionate enthusiasts ready to expand their artistic boundaries. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is packed with advanced features that elevate the photography experience, featuring a newly developed 24.2 MP full-frame sensor that provides stunning image quality with remarkable detail and impressive low-light performance, while the enhanced autofocus tracking system ensures that even fast-moving subjects are captured with precise sharpness, making this camera an ideal choice for those who demand reliability and excellence in both stills and action-packed scenarios. For videographers looking to produce high-quality content, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II offers the ability to record in stunning 4K resolution at up to 60 frames per second, delivering professional-grade video capabilities that make it an incredibly versatile tool for capturing everything from social media clips to cinematic footage and live event recordings. This camera is designed to handle a range of creative demands with ease, providing videographers the flexibility to achieve smooth, detailed, and dynamic visuals in virtually any setting or lighting condition, allowing for a seamless transition between photography and video creation with uncompromising quality. Thanks to the advanced in-body image stabilization, handheld shots are smooth, and you can shoot in challenging lighting conditions without sacrificing quality. This makes the R6 Mark II ideal for both daytime and nighttime photography. With a versatile 24 to 105 mm range, this lens kit adapts to various styles, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits. It's a fantastic all-around lens that pairs perfectly with the R6 Mark II body. Ready to add this exceptional camera to your collection? The Canon EOS R6 Mark II with RF24-105mm kit is priced at 2,08,899. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Enjoyed the review? Subscribe for more tech insights and camera gear reviews. Thanks.